Guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm Alicia Williams. Here we do all things beauty. So for today's video, we're going to be doing like a little get ready with me, which I always do makeup and stuff. These are just some new things I picked up from Ulta that I had wanted to try. So I have like a big old bag right here, and since it's like so much stuff, I'm not going to be able to use all of it in the video, but a lot of sales were going on. There was minis, it was buy one get one free, so I have a whole bunch of new stuff I want to try, but I'm gonna incorporate the stuff that I got previous to before that because I was collecting. That being said, if you're interested in makeup and a get ready with me, just keep watching. Okay, so I want to start with complexion first. I already did my brows, but I will be using my Putty Poreless Primer by e.l.f. just to, get things started. And I felt like last time I did complexion first, it went by really quick. So I was like, I must be taking a long time on my eyes. So we're doing complexion first and then eyes last, since that's the fastest. So going into cream bronzer, I just want to go ahead and use the Wonder Stick by NYX. I've been liking and loving it, but it did break in the car from the heat, so it's like weird and bent. It's not put together as it should be, but it broke. So I'm still using it because it's still a good product, and it's definitely something I would repurchase because it is so creamy. And I'm not feeling any makeup on the forehead today. I'm just not. So now I want to go ahead and go into the blush. This is the new Luminous Putty Blush in the shade Maui. I have not tried it at all yet. I've seen 2 other shades there at Ulta, but if you want like the full selection, that's on e.l.f.'s website. These shades right here, they look really pretty. I wanted to go with something nude, so if I want it to be glowy but subtle, it would be nude. I'll pick up another shade if I really, really like it because I haven't tried it yet. So going into this, okay, got a decent amount. You guys see a lot of luminosity. In the camera, I feel like I can. Okay. So for the complexion, which is also new, the Ulta Beauty Complexion Crush went viral on TikTok, so I wanted to try it. I tested it out in store for finding my shade, and I'm tan warm. And then I've tried the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer. This is the shade Medium Warm, but the first time I had it, it was like separating on me, and that was like with a primer and without a primer, so I returned it. But I was like, maybe I just had a bad batch, so I was like, let's not knock it before we really like try it full face. So going into Miss Complexion Crush, so I squeezed about that much on the sponge, if you guys can see that. I'm just gonna dot it around because I really don't need a lot of coverage, and hopefully it is lightweight. Now, without blending it in yet, I want to go ahead and put the concealer down too. I know I'm doing a lot, but I just like to blend things in once I can see where they're placed. And if this really is a full coverage concealer, then I don't need a lot. Okay, so let's go ahead and just buff it in. Okay, so this is how the complexion's looking. We look really glowy. There's still no product on my forehead, so that's just my forehead naturally. I want to go ahead and set with this puffer. She does have pigment to it, so if you're a lighter complexion than me, it's gonna turn you orange from what I've seen reviews. But for me, it looks perfect. I don't oxidize with this. Okay, so it's so cute. Okay, I think the complexion looks really good. Under eyes are set. Let's go ahead and just get into the eyes. The only thing I have that's new for the eyes is this NYX Ultimate Glow Shots liquid shadow. I picked up the shade Kiwi Killa because I mean I've really been into greens, so this looked fun. And I'm just gonna use this Rem Beauty palette as a base, something to start with. Priming my eyelids real quick using the Urban Decay Primer Potion because my eyelids do look very oily. I've also been testing out like this lash serum by Grande Lashes since the minis were on sale. I picked up 2, so it's basically like a full size in my opinion. So I'm testing that out, so maybe that's what's making my eyelids look extra oily, but I definitely want to prime because I don't want my shadow moving within the day. I want it to, you know, show as much as possible and last. Taking the second lightest shade, it has a little bit of color to it. I just want to set that all over the lid. I want to go ahead and take this mauve shade. It's the second to the end, and I want to do like a little wing kind of look with it. So I'm not taking it all the way into the inner corner like I did the first shade. And then taking the darkest shade, we're just using her for the outer corner in a little small motion. I want to clean up the shadow real quick using a little bit of concealer left on the brush. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how I want to use this. I don't know if I just want to put it all over the lid or try doing something snazzy with it. For a swatch, this is how she's looking. Very pretty. Let's just put her all over the lid. Like, what's the worst that could happen? So I don't know how long it takes for the cream shadow to dry. I have like a nice amount on the eye. She looks nice, real green and glowy. Testing out this, it doesn't appear to be moving when I rub it. I mean, the shimmers are coming off on my finger, but you know, it's still there. Okay, so this is how the eyes are looking after I continue to layer Kiwi Killa. I think that it looks nice. I think the layering isn't the best. It's decent. But I feel like you definitely have to like build it up and let it dry and then build it up some more so you can get like a lot of shine off of this. I'm not mad at it. I like the color. It looks green to gold, maybe a little bit of blue. Don't really care about the blue in there, but I think it's pretty for a nice little shift. I want to go ahead and smoke out the under eyes just using the 2 darkest colors. Okay, so now that everything's looking pretty good, I want to go ahead and use this new mascara. This is the Tartelette Tubing mascara. Okay, so this is how the mascara is looking. I'm not sure if you guys can see it because my lashes are short, but I've also been using a lash serum. It's only like my 2nd or 3rd time using it, so I don't know if that's doing anything. But I've also never used a Tarte mascara. So, I mean, it's kind of like, you know, news to me. But I heard this one's supposed to be very lengthening. I don't really know what tubing means. I think it's when, like, the bristles are hard where it can hurt your eye. But, like, my lashes, they look separated and I think they look elongated. So, I'm not mad at it. I will keep using it. If I find that it flakes or smears, then I would stop using it. But just looking at them, I think they look great. I'm not mad at them. I want to go ahead and do eyeliner. I have the mini Benefit Roller Lash liner. Never used their liner before because I've always loved Stila, but I wanted to try it since I never have, and this is the mini. Okay, so with liner on, the mascara on, I think it looks nice. I haven't done a dramatic liner in a long time, but I feel like this one kind of made me because this was like the testing eye. You know, I wasn't sure how to go about it, so it got big, so I had to match it, and this one looks chef's kiss. So the only new lash I have is the Kiss Lash Couture in the style Velvet. My favorite style, I think, is like chiffon, I think cashmere. I think those are the 2 that are my favorite, especially with some dramatic liner. But I definitely wanted to try the style Velvet because it looks similar to both of them. So I'm going to put this on and then we'll get into lips. Okay, so lashes are on. This eye is still drying just a little, but this is what I mean when I say, like, you know, high-end lashes, they look nice. Oh, $12, $15, maybe even $20 lashes. They look nice. But they ain't got nothing on Kiss. Like, I haven't even tried the style, like, Velvet. And look at this. Like, chef's kiss. They look so good. So good. I'm telling you, high-end lashes ain't got nothing on Kiss. I think Ardell is nice. It really is. I like the naturalness of it. So when I want to look natural, I use them. But for every day, I'm going dramatic. Lashes are a must. So let's go ahead and get into lips. This is the gloss I wanted to use since I did like the Ariana Grande, the Run Beauty baby doll palette using that mauve tone. I thought it would look nice with this because I do have another shade. This one is Mango Lassie. This one's Strawberry Horchata. So I'm gonna use Strawberry Horchata because I feel like it matches the mauviness better. I didn't know how to make the green and the orange pop, so I was like, we're gonna do this one. I don't think we need to line our lips. I think we're just gonna put it on as is because I mean I have a little bit of makeup on them, but who cares? It smells so good. Very pigmented. I'm not mad at it. I feel like it's more pink than my eyes, so they don't technically match. My eyes are looking more brown now towards the green, but this pink is so cute. I wish I would have swatched it first. I would have picked a better palette to go with the eyes and the lips if I had swatched it first, but I'll swatch both of them now. Strawberry Horchata, Mango Lassie. Mango Lassie is looking a little less pigmented compared to Strawberry Horchata, but I think they both look really good. Let's go ahead and finish setting my makeup with this MAC's Mini Fix Plus Original spray. This smells really good. I can kind of see the hype behind this MAC Fix Plus. I have like some people who use this, like I know some people and they love it. I've never tried it, so this is my first time also, you know, another first impressions. Smells beautiful. Almost smells like perfume, like not in the strong way but in like the clean way. It's like subtly like nice smelling. I like it. So I mean I probably am gonna pick up a full size because I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be enough for me. Okay guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. So for a quick little recap, I switched it and I went with Mango Lassie for the NYX Milky Gloss. I feel like this looked better with the eye look instead of the Strawberry Horchata. So as far as eyes go, I really like all three of these items, the minis. The tube and mascara, I have to use it more to know if I really like it. I feel like it looked nice, but I didn't build it up to like its fullest potential. So I'm gonna keep testing it out. As far as the liner goes, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna repurchase a full size because it's really good. It's pigmented and I didn't have any problems with skipping. For the cream shadow, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna repurchase more shades because I like liquid shadows, especially for liner work. I don't usually do all over the lid for it, but I think it looks pretty, especially with it being built up. So I think that was really good. As far as complexion goes, this complexion crush went viral on TikTok. I can see why. I think it does complement the skin. At first it looked a little orange, but as I sat down more, I think it adjusted to my skin tone and it looked really good. I think it doesn't look heavy at all and I don't really feel it on my skin, so I would recommend it. I can see why it went viral. As far as the concealer goes, I really did like it. I'm happy I repurchased it because the first time it was like separating, so I think I had like an old bad batch, but this one was way better and I haven't had any issues with separation, and the Urban Decay powder just made it look really smooth under the eyes, so I really like it. Definitely good for me. And then for the e.l.f. Putty Luminous Blush, I really like it. I feel like I would prefer this over the original only because it looks healthier on the skin. I feel like the matte-ish looking blushes, I feel like those are okay. The colors are nice, but I wouldn't repurchase the matte ones. I would go with the luminous from now on. I'm just not gonna pick up a whole bunch while I still have one. I'm gonna pick up one at a time when I run out. So last but not least is the MAC Fix It Plus primer spray. This is really good. I love the way it smells. It smelled very like soft and perfumey, but it's like a clean smell. I really like it. I would pick up the full size because I feel like it made my skin look glowy and it's set. So this was not a bad purchase in my book, especially for a mini. It was buy one get one free. Loved it. So I have some more stuff that I didn't get to use today, but I'm gonna use it either next week or the week after because I have some Fashion Nova stuff I want to try, and then I still want to do the no makeup look. So there's a lot to look forward to next Friday and the Friday after. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.